Hello students. We fall, we break, we fail, but then we rise, we heal, we overcome. So gather all your strength and let us begin the hard work. Now you must have given your examination, that is the quarterly examination which was conducted recently. Hope you have done well. Now let us get back to our grammar classes. Yes, now today we have taken up phrasal verbs. Yes, phrasal verbs, and the word we take up today is give. From this word we get the phrasal verb give away. Give away means to distribute. The minister gave away the prizes. Yes, this is an example of give away. Yes, it means to distribute. Again, next phrasal verb is give in. Now, give in means to surrender. Yes, example, the enemy finally gave in. Yes, give in also means give consent. Example, mother gave in when we made a request. Yes. Now, another phrasal verb is give off. Now, give off means to emit. Yes, to emit. Example, the chimney gives off smoke. Yes, the chimney gives off smoke. Next phrasal verb is give out. Yes, give out. It means be exhausted. Example, her courage gave out. Next, give up. Give up means abandon. Yes, to give up means to abandon. Example, he gave up smoking. Give up also means lose hope of. Yes, to lose hope. Example, the doctor gave up hope when she was in coma. Next, give away. Give away means to collapse. Example, the mud hut gave away as it rained heavily. Next word, go. The phrasal verb that we have is go about. Go about means to continue to do something. Example, he is going about with his job in a systematic manner. Next phrasal verb, go against. Go against means be opposed to. Example, she went against the wishes of her father. She went against the wishes of her father. Yes? Next phrasal verb, go ahead. Go ahead. It means to make progress. Example, he is going ahead fast in his business. It means that he is progressing. Yes, to make progress. Go ahead also means to continue. Example, they are going ahead with the scheme. Yes, they are continuing with the scheme. Next phrasal verb is go along with. Now, go along with means Example, I go along with the group to Europe. I'll go along with the group to Europe. It also means to agree. Example, Joe went along with my scheme. That is, he agreed to my scheme. Next phrasal verb, go around. Now, go around means to circulate. Yes, circulate. Example, rumors go around fast in our colony. It also means be sufficient. Yes, be sufficient. Example, there is not enough cake to go around. Yes, hope you've got this very clearly. Next, go at. Now, go at means to attack. Example, the dog went at the stranger and bit him. Yes, another phrasal verb is go back on. Now, go back on means, what does it mean? It means to fail to keep promise. Yes, it means to fail to keep promise. Example, don't go back on your promise. That is, don't fail to keep your promise. Yes? Next, go by. Go by, it means be guided by. Example, the public servant must go by the rules. Yes, they should go by the rules. It also means judge from. Yes, example, you should not go by external appearances. That is, you should not judge by external appearances. Yes, now go down. Go down means to believe. Yes, example, your statement won't go down well with the judge. Next phrasal verb, go for. It means to attack. The militants went for the poor farmers. Yes, the militants went for the poor farmer. Next, go in for. Go in for means to have something interesting. Example, don't go in for cricket in this session. Yes? And then we have go into. Go into means to examine. Example, the principal is going into this case. The next phrasal verb is go off. Now, go off means to leave. Example, he went off in a hurry to catch the train. It also means to proceed. Example, our school fete went off very well. Go off also means explode. The gun went off accidentally. It means that the gun exploded accidentally. Yes? Next, go on. The next phrasal verb is go on. It means to happen. Yes? Example, what is going on in the office is not correct. Go on also means to continue. The old man went on with his work in spite of his illness. That is, he continued his work in spite of his illness. Next phrasal verb, go over. Go over means to review. Example, he went over the file after office hours. That is, he reviewed the file after office hours. Yes? Next phrasal verb is go through. Go through, it means pass through. Example, Example, Mala is going through hard days after the death of her father. Go through also means to complete. Example, he will go through with his plans. Next phrasal verb, go with. Go with means to match. Yes, it means to match. Example, his tie goes with his suit. That is, his tie matches with his suit. Next, go without. Yes, go without. It means to manage without. Example, we cannot go without food for long. Students, I'd like to conclude this module by telling you that there are three sorts of people in the world. The first one are those who are immovable. People who don't get it or don't want to do anything about it. Yes, you can't move them. They don't listen to anybody. They don't accept any changes. Yes, the second type of people are those who are movable. People who see the need for change and prepare to listen to it. Yes, they are movable people. And the third type is the ones who are the ones who motivate others to do things. They are the one who move people to make things happen. So be like those people. Be the third type of people. This is my request. Yes. And whenever you want to do anything, do it then and there. Yes. Don't wait, because whatever you want to do, you have to do then and there, because do it now. Sometimes later becomes never. So keep on working hard. Keep on doing your assignments. Keep on practicing your grammar. Drilling is very important in grammar. You can't get your grammar correct in a day. So you have to continue with the hard work. Until then, be safe.